Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. First, I will ask you, did you know these foods? As we can see from our environment, some of us maybe like or love to eat kimchi, samyang, ramen, or sushi. Those things are the product of gastro-diplomacy that South Korea and Japan made. But what the gastro-diplomacy is? Gastro-diplomacy is one of soft diplomacy that can be used to make cooperation with other countries and promote traditional food to other countries. But why in other countries, Indonesian food is still hard to find and not too famous? So today, in this special occasion, I will inform you 3 reasons why Indonesia still can't maximize the gastro-diplomacy. To start the topic that I have mentioned before, I will tell you that Indonesia has too many kinds of food. Then will be about the challenge in international food market regulations. After that, I will inform you that Indonesia has not yet focused on gastro-diplomacy. Finally, I will summarize my presentation. The first reason why Indonesia can't maximize the gastro-diplomacy is Indonesia has too many kinds of food. It is hard for the Indonesian government to focus on promoting one kind of local food on the international scene because can be controversial for Indonesian people. There are more than 5,300 kinds of local food, and all of them have their characteristic. So, it is hard for the government to choose because there are too many kinds of food in Indonesia. Now, I'd like to move on the difficulty of food regulation in international market. As we know, Indonesian food are mostly soupy food and easy to steal. Not only that, Indonesian food mostly are a long time to make. The packaging food for export must meet the international food safety requirement with the hazard analysis critical control point or HACCP system. This thing make Indonesian local food difficult to penetrate the international food regulation. After that, I want to inform you that Indonesia is not yet focused on gastro-diplomacy. As we can see, Indonesia still focused on developing economic cooperation to build domestic infrastructure. According to Kompas.id, Indonesia now has a focus on human development to increase the economic aspect. Not only that, Indonesia also focused on national development plan to build infrastructure in several less developed provinces. Indonesia desires to catch up with the development, so Indonesia is not yet focused on gastro-diplomacy. So, in conclusion, the reasons why Indonesia can maximize the gastro-diplomacy is that Indonesia still unable to choose the local food for icon. It is also because the food regulation in international market is difficult for Indonesian local food. Then Indonesia does not yet focus on gastro-diplomacy to cooperate with other countries. But on several occasions, President Jokowi served traditional food and coffee to foreign country representatives. Maximizing the gastro diplomacy is important for Indonesia, but for now, developing infrastructure and economic are more important to Indonesia. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.